Ain't you tired of sitting on that old couch using the same outdated gadgets? How about we spice things up a little bit? Here are some insane gadgets you've probably never heard of. Move Plus. If your knees hurt like mine, you probably need a red light therapy device that can help with the pain and speed up your recovery. All you have to do is wear this Move Plus device like a strap for a couple of minutes. HOTO 35-in-2 Rotary Kit. Part of being human involves fixing things yourself, so you might as well get the right kit to make it easier. This powerful multifunction rotary tool kit has 35 accessories. If you want to carve some wood, polish an item, cut metal, or even groom your pet's nails, you can do it with this HOTO kit. BACTrack Breath Analyzer. If staying sober for an entire week is a tough task, this breathalyzer will at least help in making better decisions. It checks your blood alcohol level in seconds and provides accurate feedback. Ezvalo alarm clock. How in the world is an alarm clock special? Well, if it also charges my phone, turns into a night light, comes with a Bluetooth speaker, a mobile phone charger, a radio, and a large clock display, then it just may be it is special. Cafe Specialty Drip Coffee Maker. Coffee has come to stay in our daily lives. But what if I told you that there's a Cafe Specialty Drip Coffee Maker with Wi-Fi enabled voice-to-brew technology and a companion app? Hey Alexa, can I have a cup of double espresso? Zura Vibrating Blanket. Sometimes we just want to stay in bed for a couple more hours. But with this soft, haptic vibrating blanket giving off soothing sensations, you might want to stay the whole day. The Moonwalkers. This weird pair of AI-powered shoes allows you to walk at much faster speeds without skating. It helps you to save energy and time. Might cost you around $1,000 though. ELIoT Living Wall. Garden Stuff has designed a tool that allows you to cultivate indoor plants. The wall planter combines multiple technologies to help you maintain your vertical garden even when you have a busy schedule. FunShell FS 1410 Backpack Umbrella. This super lightweight backpack umbrella is perfect for your daily outdoor activities. Apart from protecting you, the hands-free umbrella comes with a cooling fan and Bluetooth speakers. What in the world? Moleskine pen and smart writing set. Imagine writing on a sheet of paper and everything you put down appears on a screen in real time. Once this smart writing set digitizes your thoughts, you can edit, transcribe, organize, and share the files on your mobile device. Organizing meetings and projects just got easier. Petcube Bites 2. Watch your pet in 4K with the world's most advanced interactive pet camera. It's also a great treat dispenser, by the way. Sena R2 Smart Roads Cycling Helmet. Communicate with another cyclist within half a mile with this aerodynamic helmet. With smartphone pairing for music, GPS, cues from fitness apps, and built-in speakers, this helmet has that wow factor for sure. Fanttik X8 Inflator. Inflate your car tires, bicycle tires, mattress, basketball, and literally anything inflatable with this bad boy right here. It comes with a preset and customizable modes and does a fantastic job. Tile Essentials 2020. Having trouble finding your keys again? Attach this sticker to your keys, wallet, remote, and other essentials and download the companion app to find them. HoMedics Portable Humidifier. Winter months are fast approaching. What better way to get prepared than with this portable ultrasonic humidifier? Use it in your home, office, or any other personal space. BIIB Stocking 9-in-1 Multi-Tool Pen. At first, this looks like an ordinary pen until you discover that it is also a screwdriver, ruler, bottle opener, phone holder, LED flashlight, and does other cool stuff. We call it the Magic Pen. Light up electronic plug-in word clock. There are more stylish ways to tell the time than you ever imagined. This unique accent piece is perfect for any modern space. On your desk, nightstand, or dresser. Seago Speedbird i63E Drone. This gadget changes how you see the world. Getting professional images hands-free and from the most amazing views has never been easier. Lever Gear Toolcard Pro. We don't always have time to find our tools and get stuff done, but we just might with this tool card. You have 40 tools packed into a credit card-sized multi-tool. Open boxes, tighten screws and bolts, take measurements, cut wires and cords, pop open a beer. There are no limits. Austere VII Series. Protect your precious electronics from surge with this best-in-category gadget. Rokid AR Glasses. Enjoy new cinematic experiences with this pocket-sized pair of AR glasses. Its expansive visuals work seamlessly with your mobile devices, computers, and consoles. Meter Plus Smart Thermometer. Monitoring your cooking with an app might sound cool, but it gets even better with this smart thermometer. The Aarke Carbonator III. It's bubble time. Make sparkling water and elevate your countertop at home with this compact carbonator. PantryChic Smart Storage System. This storage system keeps over 100 food items airtight and BPA free. It also measures and dispenses the quantity you need accurately. So if you want to shed a few pounds, this gadget will help you with portion control when cooking. Fast Power Emergency Radio. And if you ever get stuck in the woods or go off the grid with no electricity or communication, this emergency radio could save the day. No fancy stuff, no irrelevant features, just a highly functional, life-saving device. Which of these gadgets do you fancy? Wait a second, there's more in this next video.